So now in today's video, we shall discuss about top business intelligence tools. In fact, top 10 business intelligence tools, their pros and cons, details, pricing, and much more. So let's get started. Now, in the previous video, we have discussed what are BI tools and the benefits of using these tools. Now, in today's video, we shall discuss these tools in depth, usage, pricing, and choosing the best BI tool. Now, the first is Board. Now, this is a Swiss company and it combines 3 tools in one. This makes the business intelligence tool really very powerful because it has the intelligence, it has the predictive abilities and performance management. And its major focus is finance oriented. So, the pricing again is on demand and it is again custom made. Now, I talk to Demo. What is Demo? Demo, this is a cloud-based platform which is focused on business user deployed dashboards and ease of use. And this is again tailored as per industry needs, be it pharma, marketing, finance, insurance, any company you're working with, any industry, it will be customized, this tool would be customized as per your company. And the prices is again on request. The third one is Dundas, and this is from America, and this is a useful and powerful data visualization and analytics tool which is widely used for creating dashboards and scorecards. And they have got different features for different users like power users and standard users. Now moving on to Power BI. Okay, we all have some experience with Power BI. This Power BI is a powerful tool, data visualization tool. It helps us to analyze and visualize data from local or cloud sources. You can publish your report if you're working with it. You can create interactive dashboards, augmented analytics, data preparation. So here's a video you can check about Power BI. Now the fifth one is MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is again a powerful BI tool which is enterprise based. So if you're working as an individual consultant or as an individual who is just exploring the data, then MicroStrategy is not for you. It is basically for enterprise business intelligence market to various industries, and this supports cloud, on-premise, and hybrid deployment options, more sophisticated business intelligence tools, and a free 30-day trial version is available for MicroStrategy. The sixth one is Oracle Analytics Cloud. Now, this is again focused on industries, which is mid-sized to large enterprises, and it has a powerful reporting and machine learning features. Paid version is available. And Oracle, as we know, has over the time just refined its services, and this Analytics Cloud is again a good BI tool if you're looking for your enterprise, either it is mid-size or large, then Oracle is a good choice. MicroStrategy is a good choice. Now coming to the seventh one, that is ClickSense. Okay, now this BI tool makes the most sense. And how does this make more sense of data? What does the thing which just segregates or sets it apart from other BI tools is that it has got an associated engine, and they are trying to bring every bit of information together with this engine so that it becomes easier for you to search for connections. They have an AI and machine learning capabilities which makes it more powerful than before. And the pricing is again based on your demand, and it has a limited free version. Now coming to the SAS or SAS Visual Analytics. Again, now SAS has also improved on its BI tool, and it has included the AI and machine learning capabilities also, like natural language semantic analysis, so that it can extract data from social media. And again, pricing is on request. So these tools are basically being used by enterprises and not as an individual or on a student level. Now we are coming to the ninth one, and that is Highsense. So if you're working with Highsense, it covers everything from database to ELT, ETL, and analytics to visualization. And this is best known for embedded BI users, and pricing is available on demand. We'll be dealing with a few powerful BI tools and their comparison in coming slides. The last one is Tableau. Now, we all have some experience with Tableau as it covers all the bases. It runs, either you can run it on-premise, cloud, or fully hosted by Tableau. It has got special features which are mapping and analysis of surveys, time series data, but it has the con is that it is little higher on pricing, which is $75 per usage. So now we will come to a little more on Power BI desktop. So ideally, I have also worked with Power BI. So its free version is available if you're working on Microsoft. Then you can install this Power BI desktop, which is ideal for isolated users, and paid version is also available for enterprise. And its cost is $9.99 per user per month, which is quite cheap and quite reasonable as compared to other BI tools available. Now, there's a little comparison which I've done with the three Power BI tools which are widely being used. So we'll be focusing our attention on Power BI, Tableau, and Highsense. Power BI, in Power BI, the main problem is of integration. And also, if you are working with Mac, you have to download this, or you have to load your files from going from the cloud and from various switching on to various resources. So this becomes a quite an effort from your part if you're working on Mac. And then in organization, if you're working and you're using this powerful tool of Power BI, I'm calling it powerful because it has got certain features of data analysis and visualization. But the negative side is that there's a problem in automating that workflow. You have to go through a lot of documentation through the support system to understand how does this really automate things. There's no seamless integration, I would say. There's problem loading in data from different sources into Power BI if you're working it with on a large scale. Now, second, coming to Tableau. Tableau, the support is not that effective. It is costly, $75 per user. It's really costly. And at times it becomes problem with integration also. Now coming to Highsense. So Highsense as compared to Power BI and Tableau is not that simple to understand. The integration is not that easy, and they do not have a matrix. It is not pre-built. That means if you're using it for reporting purposes, which client really want, after dashboard they want to go into the insights and want reports, Highsense is not a good choice for that, because every time you have to use, if you're using Highsense, you have to go and manually do most of the work. So this becomes an extra overhead cost for your organizations and also for you if you're working as an individual consultant. So rather than solving most of your problems or automating things, it is not giving you that good choice as compared to Tableau, Power BI, and other tools. Now we come to the last one, and that is which one to choose. So it depends upon the need and the requirement of the user. But the one BI tool which I have not discussed here is Google Data Studio, because this is the best choice and I wanted to keep it as a surprise and then the last to reveal its name, that this really excels among all the available BI tools, Google Data Studio, followed by Tableau or Power BI. Now coming to Google Data Studio, the benefit is, first of all, it is free. It is seamless integration. The integration is really very fast. You can download, upload, export the data without any problem. You can add new resources without any issue from any source, right? Already they have got pre-built reports which can be used as a reference if you're working with Google Data Studio. It gives you a power to analyze data. Rather than focusing more on visualization, you can really draw useful insights from the data. You can illuminate the things which you've never seen before from that data. So this gives you a power to really go deep inside your data. The Google Data Studio, yes, you can really work with this, and this is really very powerful when it comes to comparison with the available BI tools in the market. Now, in the end, I've concluded that if you have any questions or any suggestions, please feel free to reach out to me either on my Instagram, that is Machine Mantra, or on the Quora, any questions, or mention it in the comment section here, which is very easy, right? Or also you can message me on my email if you have any problem or any request for any videos regarding Power BI tools or any other tools which you want me to come up with a video on that tutorial. I would be glad to come up with. And also, guys, the last one and not the least is thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share.